In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Reels watch history on Instagram. So the first step is to simply go to your profile and then simply tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now after that, you just have to tap on your activity and from here scroll down until you see how you use Instagram. Now some of Instagram accounts has the option to see the watch history from here, but if you can't see it, what you can do, you can simply scroll and then simply go to interactions and then simply tap on likes. Now from here, you'll be able to basically see all the videos, all the reels that you've liked, and you can also select, as you can see, all content types and select only reels. So maybe you've liked some reels that you want to see again, and you'll be able to see them from here. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.